Today we're going to make a noisemaker. For this craft, you're going to need some beads, 2 styrofoam cups, but paper or plastic cups will work, some duct tape, and some scissors. For our first step, we need to fill one of our cups with beads. If you don't have any beads in your house, you can try dried pasta, or dried beans or rice, or even buttons. Just don't fill your cup too full. Next, use duct tape to tape both cups together. You want the rims of each cup lining up as best as you can. You might need to ask for some help. Extra hands are helpful. Now, you can alternate tape colors if you have more than one color of duct tape. But if you are limited on how much duct tape you have, or if you're using a different kind of tape, such as masking tape, you might want to try decorating your cups with stickers or coloring with crayons or markers if you're using a paper cup. Do whatever you like to decorate your noisemaker. Use whatever tools you have in your home. When you're happy with your decorated noisemaker, you're all finished.